What are the major controversies surrounding Pelican Bay State Prison? When we think about prisons, we often picture places of punishment and rehabilitation. Pelican Bay State Prison, located in California, has sparked a lot of debate over its practices. So, what are the major controversies surrounding this supermax facility? First, let's talk about solitary confinement. Pelican Bay is infamous for its security housing unit, where inmates spend 23 hours a day in isolation. Some individuals have been held in these conditions for years or even decades. Experts argue that this extreme isolation can lead to severe psychological issues, including psychosis and mental deterioration. Many inmates enter the security housing unit with existing mental health problems, which often go untreated. This practice raises serious questions about human rights and whether it constitutes cruel and unusual punishment. Next, we have the issue of staff brutality. From its inception, Pelican Bay has faced allegations of violence from guards. Reports indicate that some guards have used physical abuse as a means of control. There have been shocking incidents, such as guards forcing inmates into fights or subjecting vulnerable individuals to cruel treatment. One notable case involved a prisoner who suffered severe burns after being held down and bathed in near-boiling water. These incidents have led to federal court rulings condemning the prison's practices and calling for reforms. Overcrowding is another major concern at Pelican Bay. Inmates in the security housing unit are often double-bunkied in small cells, which can lead to increased tensions and violent altercations. This overcrowding exacerbates the already harsh conditions and raises safety concerns for both inmates and staff alike. Transparency is also a significant issue. Pelican Bay was built with minimal public input, and decisions about its operations were made behind closed doors. Even after its opening, there has been little information available about the inmates held there, how long they stay, or the criteria for their confinement. This lack of transparency hinders effective oversight and accountability. Lastly, legal challenges and inmate protests have become common at Pelican Bay. Numerous lawsuits have been filed against the prison, questioning the constitutionality of its conditions. Inmates have organized hunger strikes to demand reforms, such as better food, educational programs, and alternatives to solitary confinement. In summary, the controversies surrounding Pelican Bay State Prison revolve around its harsh solitary confinement practices, documented abuses by staff, overcrowding, lack of transparency, and ongoing legal challenges. These issues highlight the ongoing struggle between maintaining security and upholding the rights of prisoners within the context of true crime and criminology.